You search how to buy shares of Paulic Meunerie SA, a French milling and flour production company listed on Euronext under the ticker ALPAU.PA. This short educational guide explains the basic buying process and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker ALPAU.PA to find Paulic Meunerie SA. Select the result that matches the Euronext listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for ALPAU.PA. Verify the exchange is Euronext and check the company details to confirm this is the right stock. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. The link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps, and remember, this is for educational purposes only.